This first movie will be on importing the E57 point cloud file we see here. So I'm going to grab the location that it's in, and we will move that over here. And now we're going to load point cloud. You can do that by picking this icon or going to settings, coming down to Carlson menus and scrolling down and selecting point clouds menu. Now we're going to create a new project, and we're going to call it Site 1. At this point, we're going to hit the right key to do import and scroll down and pick E57. There's the file. And there they are. There's all the 6 scans, and they are in metric, so we're going to convert it to metric to US feet, and we'll pick OK. And we're importing an E57 file. It was stored in Scenes or Pharaoh's Scene software, and output after registration all 6 scans into one E57 file. I'm going to pause it while it continues the import process. Well, within seconds of pausing it, it imported. Let's hit the right key, come down to Properties, and you can see that there is 73 million points. Intensity is on, color is on, no classifications. Here is the minimum. We have about 2,000 feet, both in the X and the Y direction, and an elevation difference between 275 and 1897. Clearly some noise. Alright, let's double pick on this and take a look at it. So pick the green button, and you can see there's a lot of noise. And let's look at this straight on. And that looks really good there. We'll go to Action, and we will pick Window, and we will just window that area there. That looks good to me. And we'll make a new cloud. Call it Cloud 1, that's fine. And let's close this. Come back to Project. There's our Cloud 1. Let's come down to Properties, and not much of a difference there. Elevation range is reduced quite significantly, 180 feet now. And the X direction has reduced quite a bit. The Y is still the same. Now, let's come up here, do Save, and then double pick on Cloud. And let's pick the green check. And clearly this is the area of interest. We'll go back to Action, and this time we'll do Perimeter, and I will grab this data there, right key, and then we'll create a second cloud. Alright, we'll close this. Come up to project, do save. There's the second cloud. Hit the right key, come down to properties, and we're seeing 73 million, a little over 73 million points. We started out with a little high point on that. Now we'll double pick on this one, this second cloud, and pick the green check and see how it looks now. Now it looks a lot more presentable per se. We have a cell tower across the street, and the area that we're interested in mapping is this right here. You can see there's where they scanned, so it's this property right there. Alright, at this point we've got the information with all the noise of the traffic of the road in there, but we have removed a lot of the extraneous noise, and we're ready to work with this point cloud, slicing and dicing further into it to essentially map the site. So at this point I'm going to end this movie. I'm going to go ahead and save it, close this, and exit out of point cloud. And I just wanted to show you how you can import E57 files, and also if they're in metric, convert it from metric to US feet, and then just by doing two window or perimeter slicing and dicing, I'll call it, of the point cloud, remove the point cloud or the area of interest that you want to work within down to a more manageable point cloud area, in this case cloud 2. And we created a scene here for that scene, and the next movie will show further slicing and dicing down this cloud to start mapping using the features in the cloud. And that is the end of the movie. We're going to exit here and end the movie.